Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the ball joint on Mitsubishi Space Star. Here I'll show you where the ball joint is located. The ball joint is located on the control arm. So in order to remove it, first we need to remove the bolt holding the ball joint to the wheel hub, and then we're going to remove the ball joint. First we start by removing the wheel. Next we're going to remove this bolt holding the ball joint to the wheel. We're also going to remove this nut holding the CV joint to the wheel hub and then push the CV joint in. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the bolt is removed, we're going to take out the ball joint from the wheel hub. This is the tool that I'm using. Next, I'm going to take out the CV joint from the wheel hub. I'm going to put a rope around the CV joint, around the CV axle, to lift it up so that it's not in my way to remove the ball joint. I'm also going to catch this whole wheel hub and try and bring it as much to the rear as possible to have enough access to remove the ball joint. And now I'm going to start removing the ball joint. First I'm going to remove the bushing on the rubber bushing on the ball joint, and then I'm going to cut this part of the ball joint. Next I'm going to cut this part of the ball joint so that I can hammer out the ball joint afterwards. That's how I cut the ball joint. Next I'm going to remove, there is a lock ring on the upper side of the ball joint. I'm going to remove the lock ring and then I'm going to push out, I'm going to hammer out the ball joint. I'm going to put the whole ball joint on this control arm, so to lie on this control arm, so that when I hammer it out, there is no, it's not going to go up and down. It will have leverage to be able to remove it. When I bring down the control arm like that and it lies on this pipe, then now I'll have leverage when I hit the ball joint. It's not going to bounce back. First I'm going to remove, like I said, this lock ring. Now that the long ring is removed, I'm going to hammer out the ball joint. I'm going to use a nail hammer to hammer it out. It came out very easily. Sometimes it doesn't come out that easily. You might want to hit it a little bit more, but this time it came out very easily. Next, I'm going to put on the new ball joint. To put in the ball joint, I'm going to be using a ball joint installer kit. I'll show it to you right now. This is the kit that I'm using to install the ball joint. I'm going to push in the ball joint. I'm going to put this big ring, long ring on top, so that when I push it in, the ball joint will go in there. And I'm going to put this underneath, and we'll push the ball joint in. Now that the ball joint installer tool is in place, next I'm going to tighten it, and you see how the ball joint will go in. I'm going to use a pneumatic gun to make it faster for the ball joint to go in. You can see how the ball joint is going in. The ball joint needs a little bit more to go in all the way. I'm going to push it in a little bit more. And that's the ball joint in all the way. Now I'm going to remove the tool and put on the lock ring. And that's how you remove and replace a ball joint. Next, I'm going to assemble everything else in the reverse order, and then I'm done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.